Welcome to ABC Trainings. NXCAD. We offer trainings for NXCAD in Certificate, Diploma, Master Diploma, and PG Diploma options, providing comprehensive knowledge and practical skills for engineers and designers. These NXCAD courses cover various aspects, equipping you with the tools for precise design, modeling, and documentation. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Thorough exploration of the NXCAD interface and its diverse tools. Advanced 3D modeling techniques applicable across various industries. Annotations, detailing, and adherence to industry standards. Collaborative design processes, referencing, and effective project management. Presentation and visualization techniques optimized for design. Enroll in the NXCAD course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful design software. For further details and enrollment, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.